So it's kind of an original. It's called Bell Ringing. Not sure what story it tells. It's not good though. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what story it is, but it's not a happy story. I'm pretty sure of that. This is a part of the program where I say a few words. We want to be thankful for the Sky Lounge for having us here. Thank you.
Definitely. Great venue.
How are you?
Sometimes baby, in a place, it's fine for me with my heart skipped. What happens on this good trip? I really wish I could hang around. Bell ringing is the only sound. Bell ringing, I'm burning inside. Bell ringing, with no hope to survive. Bell ringing, my time is growing short. Bell ringing, down to my last resort. I don't know what to do about you. Bell ringing is the only clue. I remember the places we've been, seeing flash on the dead wind. I knew behind you while we climbed to the castle and we ducked inside. Hiding from the pouring rain, bells ringing, I'd be going insane. Bell ringing, bell ringing, bell ringing, bell ringing. Wish I could see the sunrise over you, baby, was by my side. The look keeps turning, tears in my eyes. I lost to learning when you lie. You turn off my room for you. Bells ringing, gotta find someone true. Bell ringing, fire burning inside. Bell ringing, no house around. Bell ringing, I'm in your store. Bell ringing, last resort. I don't know what to do about you. Bells ringing is the only